very, very beautiful day up here in the Midwest. Sunny as can be. What's going on, six feeders? It is finally summertime, and you all know what that means. Since that's summertime, it is finally time to fulfill the promise I made, and that is to start up the car build on the beautiful 2014 Scion FRS slash GT86 slash BRZ slash what the heck you ever want to call it. So finally, I did some digging around and I finally got some parts ordered. One of them finally came in today, so I was very, very happy about that, because now we're starting to go the direction which that is to start building up the Scion into a fun little, well, technically race car slash fun daily driver. And I'm just very, very excited. So let's hop inside and check out what's inside the box. Guys, this is the part that I ordered. It is a aftermarket front pipe. I still have my OEM front pipe, so I thought we'll go ahead and go catless fully, because I have UEL headers that are catless made by 1320 Turbo. I think that's what the company's called. So I thought, why not hop to it and, you know, go full catless and make the car pull out a little bit more horsepower and hopefully get it to pop just a little bit. Of course, usually you need an open flash tuner to do that, but I thought, why not have some fun with it, you know? And I'll go ahead and remove all of this here in a second. It is resonated. The only reason why I did get a resonator was because this is one of my daily drivers and I don't want it to drone so much where it's driving me crazy. But I'm very, very happy with it. This is what it finally looks like without the paper on it, and it's just a normal resonator. Nothing's inside of it whatsoever. Just hollows out the noise. Now, there is a huge argument in the car community saying that a resonator robs horsepower, or it doesn't rob horsepower. Basically, if it was to rob horsepower, it would only probably rob about 1 to 3, maybe 5 tops, if that. But all that the resonator does is resonate the noise. So I'm very, very happy. The company is called FRS. I don't know how to say it, but it's Senkai Rio Sport. I'm so sorry if I did say that wrong. I picked this up for roughly 150 bucks. I know it's probably not a big known name out there like Tomy, HKS, or Nvidia, but I mean, for 150 bucks, and if you just want a front pipe that's resonated just to have some fun and finally delete your second cat, go for it. So I was looking over this beautiful front pipe, and it's not bad whatsoever. I was looking at the welds. They look clean as can be. For 150 bucks, it's not bad. Nothing's gonna fall off or anything. It's not bad whatsoever, you know. Also, I love that SRS badge right here. This, the steel is stainless steel. That's the type of piping that they use for it, stainless steel. And it feels good quality for 150 bucks. Has some good weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap. And honestly, I'm very, very excited to put this on the FRS. Also, they did include 2 awesome stickers, which I might put on my car or just put it somewhere in my room. And this just looks like all the bolts and everything. So I was looking at a lot of different front pipes, and honestly, I won't lie, there's a ton out there. I know some are, you know, have a high float cat on them. Some will have resonated. Some will have dual resonators. Some will even just be completely non-resonated, non-catless, and loud as can be. I know Nvidia makes a good one. I was looking at Nvidia, but whenever I saw it and I heard the noises on other videos, and from what I've seen, it looks cool, it looks durable. But from reviews, they said they enjoyed it for the first few months, and then they just wanted it to go quiet. And that's why I went with the resonator, is because I'm one of those, do some studying, make sure that you're going to be happy with it before you make that big move. And I know some people don't really care whether it's resonator or not. It's preference, you know. That's what. So really another reason why I absolutely love this thing is because from what I've read on the FT86 Speed Factory page and everything, it said that this will not turn on your check engine light. And if it does, well, you just buy O2 spacers, or you can get tuned at your local shop to turn off that check engine light. Or if you're blessed and you live in a county slash state that does not require safety or emissions, well, technically emissions for the check engine light, you can just put this thing on here and you should be fine. I did over here on safety though, your cat still needs to be attached, but You know, it's one of those type of things where you could just quickly bolt on your catalytic converter, take it to the safety station, pass inspection, bring it back, swap it out and everything. So for 150 bucks, I was very, very impressed by the packaging on this. Honestly, it showed up. It was very, very nice package inside bubble wrap. That made me smile, you know. So I'm used to ordering cheap parts and them being cheaply packaged, so it's nice to see for 150 bucks this thing is packaged pretty well. So 6 speeders, that's what finally came in the mail today, and for 150 bucks, I'm very, very impressed. I was impressed by the welds, by how well it was packaged and how fast it shipped. It shipped in a pretty good amount of time. I want to say I ordered it about 3 or 4 days ago, and it already showed up, so I'm very, very happy. And, you know, excited to put this on the car because I'm hoping that will be a little bit louder and maybe we can get some more exhaust sounds out of it. I'm hoping for some pops, but I'm probably going to have to get tuned for that, which that's perfectly fine. But I'm very, very excited to see what that sounds like. And trust me, once that thing's installed, I'll be doing a review on it and definitely be driving it around and revving it up for you guys, so that way you guys can hear what it sounds like. You know, I never heard of FRS, but I won't lie, for 150 bucks, I'm pretty impressed by the way that looks. But sound is what I'm looking for. And hopefully we'll still have that traditional Subaru rumble. And, well, technically there's only one way to find out if we still have it or not, and that is to put that little baby on there and see what it can do. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to press that subscribe button to smash that like, and I promise you guys there'll be more videos to come and everything. So I'll see y'all in the next video. And also don't forget to come email me at 6speeders2019@gmail.com and to come follow me on Instagram at SmithEM2000. I'll see y'all in the next video.